Basically what I'm going to show you is the new startup company. We started 2 years ago to develop this platform, what you're going to see, and we introduced this first time to the world in IPC 1.5 months ago. And basically it's not yet commercial. We have 650 engineers, so it's not a typical startup in that sense, and we have spent quite a bit of money. And what is important in this platform is that it's enabling the users to be becoming a producer. Instead of this platform is tailor-made for broadcasters, operators, and OTTs, and all the people who want to reach the customers directly using the video stream. One live video stream. Everything what you see here is going to be delivered over the internet through one live video stream. So, what is this NPTV? It's a cloud-based platform that individualized the content. We are like a concentrator, orchestrator of the content from the internet, and try to put it together, render it in a cloud, shoot it as a one video stream to any device, any screen, what has an internet connection. Quite important kind of things to understand. And what this platform actually can do is that here's one example. It's a football game where you can actually choose whichever camera is put in a stadium. So users can actually look simultaneously 4 or 7 or 8 or however screens you want to choose. Background, you can see the broadcaster vision. This is the multi-screen done with the 7 cameras stitched together in a cloud, delivered to the people, so it's a super view. And you can see any such. You can see the shoes, what the player is using, how many kilometers been driving and running there in a field. Simultaneously, you can watch this broadcaster view and then your privatized view. You can take the locker room camera if the organization likes to use it or wants to give you the opportunity to do that, and people will pay a little bit more extra on these kind of services because it's privatized to you. So same event, you can have a very, very different view. We all can have our own preferred player, what we want to follow, and we will render it in a cloud and deliver the service to the way how you want to do. So very, very customizable, what fits to you, not what fits the broadcaster or the deliverer. And it's on any device and any screen. How it works, very basic stuff. Any kind of we have a big cloud service center. We can be a CDN. You have apps, graphics processors, and all kind of different screens where you can be connected through internet. What this platform can do, it will turn the viewers to the producers. So we are not anymore giving opportunity to the broadcaster to I'm dictating what you want to watch. I'm the person who can do whatever I want to do in the internet, and I can simply click and touch and go to see whatever I like to do in the internet. Give people more to see, give the choice, because it's an important thing. Ultimate personalization becomes a must in the future internet. And then top of this, we did the first test trial with Eurosports, and this is actually the VTCC race. This is a normal view what you can see about the race in a track, but then comes these kind of interesting additions. You can follow the one single car, what you have chosen. You can see exactly what the driver's camera is showing to you. You can see how the driver will see it, and same time you see up upper corner the broadcaster view. Then you can give you the extras, like all the rules, how the car actually looks like. Same time you can follow the race. You can see what the driver is wearing, what kind of a special stuff he has or she has in a car. All those things what the broadcaster can't do today. So we can tailor-made the information from the cloud online. And there's no delay, no latency, because our platform is not buffering the information. It takes it online, all the information what you can add to this event. We were actually talking to the broadcaster, because Marrakesh, we are going to do this first time live, is that they have a heart rate belt. If you're a driver, you get overexcited, your heart starts to pump very heavily, Then you have all kind of a pressurized IP antenna enter these kind of sensors. We can give how many Gs the guy is feeling at the moment, how his heart is rating and pumping. We can give all that kind of information, top of the information what the people can choose from the cameras. And we can put that all information together and get the very rich experience in a home, how you can kind of feel and experience the events. So I don't want to read these things, you can read yourself. Everybody is capable of doing that. And let's get the people more to do. That's what people want. Get me things what I want to do, not what the other guy has decided me to do. And Olympics has been one of the places where you have seen this application. It was for hotels. You can actually interactively make this hotel kind of a different place, but I don't want to show that because the time is running out. We can put the entertainment on demand, make this kind of a hotel system very interactive instead of being very passive. We can make reservations for the restaurants. We can make sure that we can pay things online. We can sell stuff directly through the screens. Or I can come here and take a picture from my mobile phone from this TV screen. And cloud will automatically recognize who I am, and I can take over the screen and start to present to everybody in the screen what I would like to show and like to experience in this room. Nobody else can do these kind of things, because cloud is enabling us to kind of retrieve the information from online, from the net. So this is for everybody. This is done so simple that if you can use the internet, you can use this one. Just touch the screen, go to the information, we can open up the links directly to the IP addresses, and there's no limits. We are not restricted by legacy systems because everything is kind of an open cloud. We do some private stuff in a cloud because otherwise you can't do these things what I explained to you in a short moment here. So it's always up to date because it's actually online. Thanks.